Okay, hey YouTube. I've got these little triangles to make. My grandma wants them for some sewing club thing she's got for templates or something like that. And originally I'd laid them all out, so zigzagged, but I forgot. I thought I'd be able to just hold the single ones by hand, but then it actually started doing diamond shapes, so it was almost impossible to hold. And then I nearly wrecked. I then panicked and turned my router off before I stopped the machine. So then it started pushing that one along. But luckily, it was I'd jumped a screw in there. But I'm just going to give you a show of my test run. And there's a few tests of doing my logo. But yeah, hopefully you can see what's going on. I might hold it, I think. But I've already zeroed and everything, so let's go. Just start up the router. And that's that. Okay, there I have 6 identical triangles, all at 60 degrees and all at 140mm per side. I'll just put the camera down, I'll show you. Set it to 140. And yeah, 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 and you see that? Quite happy with the accuracy of those. They're only for some templates to cut fabric, so it doesn't need to be that accurate. But yeah, that's me using Mach 3 on my homemade CNC machine. And yeah, let's chuck together a quick little dust extractor. Nice, quick, simple zip ties. What would you do without zip ties? Another zip tie, and then round to my dust extractor. Alright, see you again.